they really tried it with my YouTube channel. Really. Hey guys, it's your girl Juicy today, and I wanted to do this video before I actually like get dressed and fix my whole entire hair. And yes, I did take the braids out because it was like 2 weeks and my hair grows very long, so I didn't want to like extend it, but I will be doing it again for probably in August. But let's get straight to the video of what I am going to talk to you about today, because this is mostly a warning for all creators on YouTube. Last night, this was like literally recently, last night I got a email from YouTube support, and that email, I'm literally gonna put it right here, but I'm gonna read it from my phone. And that email stated, let me see, I gotta find it real quick for you guys because like it's ridiculous. So this was from YouTube support. It says, you gotten an allegation that you have countless spam recordings on your YouTube channel. Be that it may, you don't need to stress. We'll survey your channel by our YouTube group and advise you by email. We're prescribe. I can't even read right now. Like, this is how pissed off I am. That you don't need transfer new recordings during this task. Round out the data underneath and answer the email. Something else. If your channel isn't looked by our YouTube group, your channel will be shut down. Much obligated to you for your understanding in this process. Then in the bottom it says your channel URL, channel context subject, copyright yes or no, and channel password with a YouTube team little signature in the bottom. And if I really didn't read this email thoroughly and read it to the T, and noticed that in the bottom it says Villa Drive, Indiana. All of the YouTube contact in the bottom says California, not Indiana. So I kept digging and digging and digging. I contacted Google because I was really highly confused. I contacted the YouTube team, and apparently it's a fake email to scam people to go into their YouTube account, shut it down, and get all their money from their YouTube channels. So Google has literally told me they're under investigation. A lot of other YouTubers have seen this. Please do not give in any of your information, your passwords or anything. If you do get this email, literally just send it to the Google team, YouTube team, tweet them, everything that you possibly can. Just send it out, because to be honest, it's just fake. I don't know. Like, I did my digging because I could be an FBI agent. Like, literally I can. I literally pasted the address into Google, and it showed me a traditional house, like a traditional family home, literally. And I'm just like, oh, y'all try to play me, like, really? So I just advise you to do that. And if for like good precaution, I did like reset the password again and did the 2 verification security system thing that they have on Google. That can help you a lot. Another YouTuber, and I am gonna put his thing right over here. I hope he sees this video, because we gotta come as a community. Like, we work so hard to make videos, make content, edit them, collabs. Everything we do on YouTube, we are hardworking with it. So it's kind of very unfair that other people want to take our hard work. Like, it just irritates me. Like, if you really want money from our work? How about make your own stuff? But it happens to a lot of people. People get their credit taken away, like stolen, just a lot of stuff, and it just irritates me. Why do you have to go to stealing other people's stuff when you can make your own? So let me see what's his channel. Like, I saw his thing and it was like, oh, it happened to him like a couple of weeks ago. His name is Brandon, and the same thing happened to him. So I'm gonna put, like, it was like 4 days ago, I think. Yeah, it was 4 days ago. He told me the same thing. He's just said report it to YouTube, junk it, or send it to the spam and junk mail just in case anything happens. Any spam and junk mail that you do have and you look at it, do not touch it, because it's probably a literal hacking thing to hack into your whole entire system and hack. Like, once they have and you click a yes or no thing on those spam emails, they will literally hack into everything. Because I did have a friend, her name is Melissa, she's like one of my besties from UK. She did that and some shit happened. But I'm just here to warn you guys, as creators, don't look until like anything that YouTube, even though, like, I believe I saw the form that they have, because I did wanted to look into it so I can help you guys and help you understand. I'm literally gonna put it right over here. Basically, this part that I want you guys to know and memorize is basically, remember, YouTube will never ask you for your password, email, address, or other information. Don't be fooled if someone contacts you pretending to be from YouTube. So if you find videos on YouTube that you may think that are spam and phishing, please flag them or review by the YouTube team. So yeah, they will never ask you for any of those information. So if you did get this, please report it to YouTube, because it is under investigation. And I think it started to happen this week for a couple more YouTubers. So just be careful, report it to YouTube and Google, change your password to a strong password just in case, and just don't give out your information, because it will be a disaster. But yeah guys, that's the video I'm gonna do today, because I was really highly pissed off because this happened at around like 12 in the morning, and I was like, I know YouTube is not open at 12 in the morning, like, it's really not open. And then you responded to me again at 1 o'clock in the morning when I know YouTube is not even open. It's not open. So I'm confused. So yeah, just be careful. Just don't explode nothing in your address, email, passwords, anything. Just don't do it. It will really make a very good disaster, and you will lose your YouTube to hackers. But yeah, I see you guys next time. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, hit that bell button. I know this video is not very uplifting right now, because I just want to warn my YouTube creator community and everybody else. And yeah, I see you guys next time. Don't worry, Saturday will be a little bit more of a hit, more of a upbeat video. Don't worry, it will be.